every artist, every graphic designer has their own style. So, maybe you don't like my style of design, and that's perfectly fine. There's lots of other designers out there that can maybe give you what you need. But what I need from you, if you need a design created, I need an idea from you of uh, kind of what you like, what you're looking for, maybe even some samples of other logo designs that attract your attention, things that you like, and then that would give me a basis to start with a design specifically for you. One thing that makes my job really difficult is when a customer comes in and they know they need a design done, or they want a design done for whatever it is, whether it's t-shirt design or embroidery design or graphic design, banner print design, whatever. They know they need something, but they don't know what they want. Like, they don't have an idea of what they want it to look like. And that makes my job really difficult because I can't read their mind. So I have to ask specific questions that will give me the information that I need in order to create a design that I think, or I hope, that the customer will like. Because I could spend hours and hours doing design work because I love doing it. I really enjoy creating, especially logo design, artwork, graphic design, and I can just get lost in it. And if I'm not careful, I'll spend all my time creating designs that I like, but my customer may not necessarily like. So I need to know from you just some basic ideas of what a design looks good, or what kind of a design looks good to you, because that design, that logo design or whatever it is going to represent you, represent your business, your company, your product. And so obviously you need to like it, and it's going to have to reflect a little bit of your personality as the customer, as my customer. So when a customer comes in and they say things to me like, well, you're the artist, just figure something out, that throws up a lot of red flags to me, because again, I could spend hours and hours designing something that I think looks really awesome and cool and show it to my customer, and they're like, that's not really my style, or I don't really like that, or I was thinking more or something this route. So to save me all that headache and all that trouble, I ask my customers a bunch of questions that may not seem related to the logo design itself, but it's a bunch of questions that I ask just to learn about the individual's personality, about their likes and their dislikes, and obviously what their business sells, or what their product does. That has to be all incorporated as well. So I need to have as much information as I can in order to design the best possible graphic. BioTalk